hide your kids, hide your wives, because we go starting everything up in here. Especially you, Grandpa Wolfie and Henry the Hater. A little bit of a cold start again. Okay, -6 degrees today. Snowing. It's been snowing all night, I guess, just slightly, so there isn't that much snow. But anyway, let's go start this bad boy here. The Brabus B11, as you can see, has been snowed on quite nicely. Really nice thick layer of snow on the car. So let's see, let's clean it up and get it running. Oh my goodness, this is not nice. To get it cleaned up. Now, snow all over in the car. Nice thick layer of snow. Don't you just love snow? Ooh, that was nice. I don't want anything getting in, but that's a good way to clean the car. Okay, let's see what it does. Jump in real quick. Okay, foot on the brake, ignition, and we got it. Fires up without no problems. Car shows it's 4 degrees minus outside. Let's shut up this radio. Shut up your radio. And let's go check on the outside. Strong smell of gasoline, but there you go. Firing up, no problem. Just let it run a little. Clean it up a bit. Sadly, you can't take it anywhere because it still has summer tires on it, and without four-wheel drive, it's really no point in going out with this much snow. Might get just stuck on a little bit of a deeper snow, so I'll just rather use Uber to get my moving about done until we manage to get the winter tires on this car. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just push some snow off the car. That's pretty much it. Just let it sit for a little. Okay, this is how it is cleaned up. Pretty much cleaned up, just a tad bit of snow on it. Won't be driving it anywhere, but I just can't resist the urge to just move it around the parking lot, so I suppose I just place the camera here so I wouldn't reverse over it. Ooh, the 275 3520 section tire. I don't know how wide it is, maybe 9 or 10 inches. It's really not taking you anywhere in the snow. If you don't have any momentum, you're gonna get really stuck. Wouldn't mind hooning around in this today, but sadly not possible. Good night, sweet prince. Have some nice dreams. And that's it for today, I guess. As I said, sending out some hater love to Henry the Hater, Grandpa Woofy, and why not to Juhis. He seems to be hating sometimes too, so, but he's also Finnish, so Finns are weird. Anyway, cheers. And there's the Uber.